Welcome back guys to another video on the channel, and today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to make a pen square figure on Scratch. Here is a demo. First, a square is going to be formed, and in the square we're going to have two eyes, a mouth, and we also have the nano sprite right at the corner of the square. So first we're going to go to scratch.mit.edu and create a new project. Next, we are going to add the pen extension. Rename the project to Pen Square Figure. Delete the cat sprite and choose the ball sprite. First, we're going to create a new block called Create Square. Under Create Square, we're going to first create the square, but before that, we have to change the size of the ball. So I've changed the size, and I'm going to align it to the center. Next, under this, I'm going to put a hide and go to X and Y. I've already measured the locations of X and Y when I was creating the project, so I'll be using the same positions. So go to X, -137, and Y 6, which is going to be position right over here. But before that, we're going to have to drag a when flag clicked and snap it to the Create Square block. As you can see, it goes to that particular position and hides. Next, what we have to do is we're going to have to drag and erase all, and we also have to drag a set pen size to 20. Next, drag a set pen color. Change the pen color to lime. Right there. Now I'm going to drag a pen down. As you can see, a dot will be formed. Now we want to create a line till there. So for that, we're going to go to motion and drag glide 1 second to X and Y. Change X to the same X-axis as the position which we did when flag clicked. So make sure that X is going to be -137. And we want to change the Y-axis to 143. As you can see, a line has been formed. We're next going to drag a glide 1 second to X and Y, show the ball, and we want to create a line till there. So we're going to change the dimensions. This time you have to make sure that the Y-axis is the same. We want the X-axis to be 155, which will draw a line till there. Now we have to drag and snap the glide 1 second to X and Y with the other pieces of code. This time we have to make sure that the X-axis is the same. Change the Y-axis to -112, and that will make a position being drawn till here. Next, we're going to snap another glide 1 second. This time, make sure that the Y-axis is the same, but we want to change the X-axis to -137, which will draw a square till here. But our square is incomplete. We still have to join this. So next we're going to snap a glide 1 second, and this time we have to put the same location as we did when the flag was clicked. So that means -137 X and 6 as Y. Let's check it out, and our square will be complete. Next, we're going to choose the button sprite. Duplicate it. Change the size to 70. Change the size to 30. That's good. Next, we have to locate our eyes. When flag clicked, we want it to show, as we want to hide. Next, we're going to go to the ball, and right at the bottom of Create Square, we want to drag a broadcast message. Make the message eyes. Go to the button. When I receive eyes, we want the eyes or the buttons to show. And we also want to go to X and Y. Make sure that X is -56 and Y is +71. Do the same for button 2, except you have to change the X and Y. Drag a show and snap it to a when I receive eyes, and also drag go to X and Y. Make X 75 and make sure that Y is the same as the Y of button 1, 71. Now as you can see, once the square is drawn, 2 eyes are going to appear on the screen. Next, choose another sprite. Choose the sprite Nano. Go to the costumes and go to Nano B. Select the whole Nano sprite and click on Ungroup. Choose the mouth. Click on Copy. Next, paint a new sprite. Click on Paste, and as you can see, we already got a copy of the mouth. Align it to the center and change the fill color. I'm going to change the color to dark blue. I'm also going to change the outline to 0. We'll hide the nano and the mouth. Actually, show the nano, but not the mouth. When flag clicked, we want to hide. Now we want to go to button 2, and right below when I receive eye, we want to drag a broadcast eyes. Name the message Nano. When I receive Nano, go to Nano and drag, and when I receive Nano, we want to show, and go to X and Y. We want X to be negative 136 and Y to be negative 75. Let's check it out now. Once the square is drawn, the 2 eyes appear as well as the nano. Next, go to the mouth. We want to drag a when flag clicked. We also want to snap a hide to it. Next, we're going to go to Nano, and right below the go to X and Y, we want to drag a broadcast message. Name the message Mouth. We also want to rename the sprite to Mouth. When I receive Mouth, we want to show. And we also want to drag a go to X and Y. We want X to be 8, positive 8, and we want Y to be negative 206. Actually, negative 26. Now, once the square is drawn, the 2 eyes appear as well as Nano and the mouth. Perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave us a like, and share our videos to others. Until then, scratch on.